Bago pa mag-dalawa.
Get.
Alright, next. 3s2. Can I double this? Pwede. 38 naman. How about the 3? Ganun ulit. Once rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ay, pangit. Ano magkakaroon?
Okay. Basta up, down. Okay? Next. 4s. Can I fill this up? Yes. Okay. 1, 2.
Siya ganun ulit.
3d10.
Siya ganun ulit. Lima lang.
1, 2,
Ay, balok.
3,
Pas balok.
4, 5,
Ano magkakaroon?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct? 4p6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And 5s2. 1.
Hindi naman siya magkakaroon.
Okay? So this is our orbital notation for strontium 38.
Kailangan lalagyan mo.
Ako po ha.
Sir, hindi ka talaga gets yung isa. Yung sasabihin mo, pwede siyang i-fill up kasi 38 naman.
Pwede mo siyang i-fill up right away kasi 38 naman wala kang problema kung wala kang
So,
fill up.
Eh, paano yung bawal mag-fill up? Kunwari,
Bawal mag-fill up. Let's
Pag mali
try.
yung po, yung 1s2, 2s3.
Okay. Let's try sodium. Tingnan natin sa sodium. Okay. Let's try sodium 11. Na11. 1s2, 2s2, 3s6, 3s1. Okay? How many orbitals? 1, 2, 3, 1. Right? Okay, follow.
yes, sir.
Mamaya, pag nagsisipin, wala ka na pasa din sa pasa pa. Okay? So, how many electrons? Can I fill this up right away? Can I do this? Can I do that?
Oh!
Why not?
This is not equal.
Because this is the lower energy. I have to fill this up first. That's according to above. Okay? So I need to fill this one first. We pass to doon. Right? Correct?
Teka, sir, so kailangan yung tatlong Sir, kailangan...
Bawal na mag-video eh. Bakit talaga? And then 1, answer on. 2,
Sir, wait lang. Kung kailangan ikala yung tatlong yan sa isang ganyan.
yeah.
Okay, sorry.
And then you have yan,
Sorry.
yan. Basta up, down, where this one. And then this one, here. Tama?
Okay, guys.
Okay, so that is going to be the orbital notation for your sodium.
Bakit isa lang yung
Patigil ng teacher.
Kasi isa lang yung
Patigil ng teacher.
Depende yata dun sa ano.
Okay? Follow it then. Hindi ko pa nare-record. Nare-record ko pa. Perfect ka nga. Okay, no problem. Let's try calcium. Calcium is 20. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2.
Siya maglagay ng 3.
Yes.
Marami siya maglagay ng 8.
Volunteer, can someone do this?
Hindi ko kasi
I mean, orbital notation.
Baka gawin mong ayaw mo naman yung P. Sir, ba't kasi kailangan
Orbital notation, kailangan niya para malaman para sa next lesson. Mahirapan kayo sa next. Okay, Arnold, so distribute the electrons.
Uy, bakit?
Uy, hindi ka nila pag-distribute ha.
Alam ko pa siya yung start nakapangat eh.
Baka tama, Pedro.
Hindi mo naman malalaman eh.
Oo nga, but then the point is, you're supposed to do that. Kasi later on, you'll be counting. Okay? Pagbibilang kayo, for example,
Kung may pinakawan ito, 1
halimbawa, what are the 4 quantum numbers electron number 16. Nasaan si number 16? Nasaan si number 16?
Yun lang.
What are the four quantum numbers of element of electron number 18? Nasaan si 18? That's why you have to do that. Okay? Kasi you count this like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, natin na yung 16. Okay? That's why you have to do it. Hindi na.
Kasi may pattern lang ng pagbibilang. Kahit ganun pa rin yung same drawing.
Yes, and then, the question there is, alin na yung number 16? Going up or going down?
Ay, ganun pa rin. Kasi isa lang ng drawing yun eh.
Diba?
Saan gumawa pa ako ng theory?
Okay? So, sabi